Hi, I'm Courtney Jackson from Miss Henschel's third period class, and for my extra credit video, I will be covering balancing reactions that occur in acidic and basic aqueous solutions. So starting with acidic solutions, the first step is divide the equation into half reactions. The second step is to balance each half reactions, which includes balancing all elements except for H and O, and then balancing O by adding H to O. Then balance H by adding H+, and then you balance the charges by adding electrons on each side. The third step is to multiply half reactions by integers to cancel out the electrons. And then the fourth step is to add half reactions and to simplify. The fifth step is to check for balanced atoms and charges. In our acidic example, you first start with dividing the equation into half reactions. Once you have them separated, you simply just balance them. So for the first one, it's already balanced, and you just have to fix the electrons at the end. And for the second one, you add 4 hydrogen plus. And then to balance the electrons, you add 2 electrons on this side, 4 electrons on this side, and then to make it balance out, you multiply this reaction by 2. So then that'll be 4, and that will also be 4, and then you just add them up. And then once you add them up, this should be the answer that you get. For basic solutions, on the other hand, the first step is to simply balance as if in acidic solutions, but then add OH- to both sides for every H+ added. And then the second step is to cancel out the H2Os on both sides. I apologize. We had to change lighting because it got darker. And I don't have any other time to film this video, but let's keep going. So for our basic example, we first have to divide it into half reactions. So, since the first one isn't balanced, we have to add a 2 right in front of the Cl-. And for the second one, you have to add 2 H2O to balance out the O2. And then to balance out the hydrogen, you have to add 4 H2O on this side. And then to balance it out again, you have to add 4 OH- on this side. And then to balance out the electrons, you add 2 electrons here and 2 electrons here. And then once you add it all up, this should be the answer that you get. Okay, whatever. I'm done.